Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to deposit cash into Venmo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to provide some answers. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. What is Venmo? Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone some money. How to deposit cash into Venmo? There are a few different ways to deposit cash into Venmo. I'll cover the most common methods below. Method 1. Use a bank transfer. This is the most common method for depositing cash into Venmo. To do this, you'll need to link your bank account to your Venmo account. Once you've done this, you can simply transfer money from your bank account to your Venmo account. Method 2. Use a debit card. You can also deposit cash into Venmo using a debit card. To do this, you'll need to add your debit card to your Venmo account. Once you've done this, you can simply make a purchase with your debit card and select Venmo as the payment method. Method 3. Use a prepaid card. You can also deposit cash into Venmo using a prepaid card. To do this, you'll need to purchase a prepaid card that is compatible with Venmo. Once you've done this, you can simply add the prepaid card to your Venmo account. Method 4. Use a cash deposit kiosk. There are a few cash deposit kiosks that allow you to deposit cash directly into your Venmo account. To find a cash deposit kiosk near you, you can use the Venmo app or website. Method 5. Use a Venmo authorized retailer. There are a few Venmo authorized retailers that allow you to deposit cash into your Venmo account. To find a Venmo authorized retailer near you, you can use the Venmo app or website. Which method is right for you? The best method for you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you have a bank account, then the easiest method is to use a bank transfer. If you don't have a bank account, then you can use a debit card, prepaid card, cash deposit kiosk, or Venmo authorized retailer. Be sure to follow the instructions carefully when depositing cash into Venmo. If you're using a cash deposit kiosk or Venmo authorized retailer, be sure to have your Venmo account information ready. It may take a few days for your cash deposit to be processed by Venmo. I hope this video has helped you learn how to deposit cash into Venmo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.